Today's post notification shout out goes out to Tajay Young Blood. Make sure y'all go check out his channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let him know that Decky Boo sent you. What's up, Booz? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Decky Boo, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I could bore my nose and get some tattoo. See how my auntie reacts. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on my post notification bell. And drop in the comment section. Team Decky Boo. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna buy the rings now. So see you soon.
Decky Boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So Decky Boo can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, press like, press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Booz, I just came back. I'm gonna show y'all what I brought back. So, first off, I bought these two. Like, this is a hair food. It contains olive oil and aloe vera. Also have mineral oil, leaf oil, something, keratin. I always see that in my products. I don't know if it's that's how it's pronounced, but it's when you like, it's a nourishment for the hair. So now also I have avocado oil. Should I bring my light in here? I know. Anyways, I have to stop. So this is avocado oil. It has rosemary oil in it as well, and this is great because I watched a video with a girl. She did her hair and she like moisturized her hair as an oil. She used avocado oil, rosemary oil, and she also boiled the rosemary and cactus and put olive oil in it. So this is great for me because even rosemary oil, seed oil, and olive oil is in this. So instead of blending up so much, I got this. So guys, I'm gonna show you now. Should I bring the ring light? Anyways, these are what we are here for. I'm gonna chopping. So this is the tattoo. I will put it right here. So yeah. Then we have the nose ring and nose ring again, and in the same bag we have this. These are magnetic rings, so they come in pair, magnetic, so I can put it on my ears or my nose. So also I have this. So this is something that can go, is an earring. So you can hook up on your ears, tap up it, so something like that. Yeah. So guys, that's it. So I'm gonna put on the rings and show y'all. When she comes back, I'll put on the tattoo coming out the rubber from my nose, or whatever. So first, we're gonna put on the nose ring. Make sure I don't put it on my nose. Put on the nose ring. Shorts. Anyways, let's be serious here. You feel uncomfortable now. There's something here, but it's not bad, but it's uncomfortable bad. Anyways, this is the next one. How you put on? Okay. Oh, mad. I should know that my workplace not allow these things, so in order to work, my doctor I say them two here can hook onto this from the inside, and it are the inner but it not gonna show. If you get what I mean. This not fit me. Then no, this no. These are the magnetic ones. I'm gonna put them on my belly. I'm gonna book it. Finally, yeah. This will make it. Put on my mask so she come on, I believe. Short containers in there or something. As I say, I'm soon do this when she come. When I look for this something in the meantime, I'll get back to you when she come, darlings. Love you. So you have to wait for me. What do you think?
Take out that. Oh,
You don't like it? You don't see it?
that's what. Move it.
Move what?
Move.
Why?
That's a brother school.
No one schooling. It's a ring. It's a ring. For anyone? I look pretty. You want yours? What do you think you look like? Okay, so all it is, me get bored, I'm gonna get a tattoo. You don't like it?
Stop filming now.
You need a reaction, a true reaction.
So you have video me.
Look there. What?
No, you should have blacker.
What could I black her?
You.
Me should
You
have
come
black.
like in black African.
Also, it don't look nice. Well, actually, I prank through the head. So. Daddy.
Eventually.
This is avocado. I had it at rosemary. You have rosemary? Oh, you have. Okay, I'm going to eat that. But that's not what I want to show you. Right? Can I see? Before you I told this next side. Jesus Christ. And what are you?
Fake.
Oh, you don't say fake. I can't take it. I can't take this woman. I can't take her. Tattoo.
No, I'm gonna say that's real too.
No, this real. Don't rub it off.
Oh, okay, okay.
No, it really can hurt me. Something?
Well, I know first of all, a real tattoo would your skin would be red. I know about it. That's why I never did it. I can't exactly.
You're such a crosses.
Oh, he was actually eating me. My God.
Never bore my nose for real, and we see for a prank. What take it? We can't. When you pop off into half of my ears, but. You look nice.
It's a good look for you still.
Really?
Yeah, you look like you just let out of the rodeo.
Crosses. But guys, as usual, prank fail. No,
You see, because I'm sure explain to you. One, even though you think I am dumb to the world, I'm not dumb to the world, my dear. I know about fake piercing and fake all of them shit, the fake tattoo. You have tattoo that look like a sleeve where you can push your hand in. Oh my God. And she tried to do that. I tell you, if you want the epic prank, you know, so I go, big man thing, I get a camera, and I'm going to show you how to prank somebody. Can you say my prank you, oh, when my prank you, Jesus? No, I can't.
You can't prank me.
If my prank you, your ball like, your ball baby, for days you look at me and say, Auntie Julia, really do that? I can't be no wicked enough to send you at the end of the earth.
Prank Tajay.
Me could have sent you, me could have sent you from point A to point D. And you'd end up at point Z and still come back and don't know when I tell you to home would have prank you. So you know that.
You can't prank me, baby.
Still, one of them days I'm going to
Team Decky Boo all day, every day. Even though this was a fail, Team Decky Boo.
And you look like the cow that let out of the rodeo ready to buck. Moo! See there? Moo! Raging bull. Raging bull. Ooh! Raging bull. You only want that red something now.
Stop it. We look nice though, no? No, look on the tattoo. The tattoo.
No, the tattoo is okay. That is okay.
But more never the tattoo.
No, that is okay. No, nothing wrong with tattoo. I just
don't like tattoo.
I want is not mean I get the my tattoo. It's just because in case of emergency with my two picking them I can get them blood. Nobody me picking them life is my me not do them something there so more.
But guys,
more in case
make sure you still there for my team, you know, because this more to come. I don't need to give me some ideas because this girl she hard for prank. As I say, she hard for prank. It's so hard. I do the fish prank on her and she not even smell the fish to us.
No, when you smell the fish because
but the broken neck prank, she look at me like say me come from Bellevue.
Yeah, because they didn't look like you come from the outer space.
But the prank say me and go on the road for 24 hours. This
no, because you know say your Andrew oldest must be brother and sister. And most you are my second wife. The only prank where really the epic with her at the mouth. Yeah, because the one they know. It never did epic in it. It was just like I was looking at it like, am I in the world of reality or am I stuck in the between reality, stupidity? Yeah, them sort of things.
So, what makes you think it's fake now? This.
You couldn't come in this house with that, so I know say it's fake. I'm not dancing.
Alright, I'm gonna prank your dog. Right? So, give me a phone. What's your phone? I'm gonna prank Tajay.
Me?
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
put me.
Wait, I'm gonna prank. You see, Tona team up against me now. Guys, we try to prank them the other day. Say, life of a king.
No, we know better
say him text me, but she almost believe, you know.
No, I did not believe, you know. Hold on, let me show you what. You see, let me show you. That's what I tell you, say. I do English, I'm going to get English very quick because no, I did not
literally catch a cup of tea because
let me tell you why you might believe because you came to me and was speaking and it came out of your mouth. But you see, when you actually brought the phone and showed me the text, I laughed when I read the text and continue playing on because from the first part of the text when the man gonna say him one carry pan date pan big Sunday when Andrew Oldness locked down the country. You and him for go pan date. From there so me start laugh and play along. Sometimes you have to play the fool with the fool thinking my fool. Yeah.
A cup of tea
me never did believe because me remember
when the location, you know, see me send the location to your number. Well also location. Here Tajay. So to me granny and my mother.
No, but me tell you, hold on.
She send me the business.
Hold on, but if you you never did honest with her because you did tell her say when you tell me say you're sending my location, me ask you if I have a location for under the ribena tree because you can't my gate because you are him would have mad to pop up on my gate.
Anyways, go for the phone. Go for the phone.
You want police car?
Go for the
people got police.
Go for the phone. Go for the phone. Because my prank now go fail. I've been telling her this that me have a do my nose. So please go for your phone.
You know what?
It's not gonna fail.
Mima, come in here so 1 second because that one I can't even show.
Go for she see it already. She see it already. Mima see it already.
You see the color it was I rodeo.
And the tattoo. Give me the
Yeah, excuse me there.
Give me the phone. Cause me I call Tajay. Tajay me have a prank. Oh boy.
So you take off the one, but you're not sure what it is.
The one by the ears? Definitely. She can't have prank, you know. She has someone who can't have prank. It was a fake. Yeah. That, me know say it's fake. And this fake, because when they get tattooed, it's different.
Let me see.
Give me the phone.
The stickers.
Yeah.
Mom, phone on?
I feel away, yeah. Well guys, my gladson still a watch. But, wanna see?